Hey everybody! In this video I'm going to show you how I bury my threads using two self-threading needles. One a side-loading self-threading needle, and the other is a top-loading self-threading needle. Also, what you're looking at here is how I keep track of those little needles. I have a magnet that's stuck to the handlebar of my long arm machine, and the needles, being metal, stick to the magnet. Now, I don't know about you, but if I put those needles down on my quilt top, I'm going to lose them in about 2 seconds. Now what you're looking at are two thread tails, one from the needle and the other from the bobbin. And the first thing I like to do is take those thread tails and tie them in a knot. And this knot is going to be placed very close to the quilt top. Just sort of stabilizes those threads. Then I'm going to take the two threads together and tie another knot. And I'm going to use my side-loading self-threading needle to try to locate that second knot about a half an inch, 3/4 of an inch away from the first knot. Then I'm going to use my needle and just move the threads over the side opening in the needle, and it's instantly threaded. Now I'm cutting off excess thread tails. I only want to leave about 2 inches. I'm going to take the needle and I'm going to thread it through very close to one of the thread holes, needle holes, and move it through the quilt sandwich, not coming out on the back side, using my finger to navigate the needle towards the top of the quilt sandwich and pull it out. And then I'm just going to take a little tug on that thread tail, and that pops that second knot down into the quilt sandwich, and I'm cutting off the excess tail. Then I just massage the fabric a little bit and you don't even see the hole anymore. Here I am again, holding my thread tails, tying a knot close to the surface of the quilt top. And this time I'm going to use the top loading self-threading needle. I'm tying my second knot. I'm using my needle to locate that second knot about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch away from the first knot. I'll cut off my excess thread tail, leaving myself about 2 inches. Then I'm going to use the threads and move them over the top of the needle. There's a slight opening there. And then I'm going to put it down through one of the stitch holes, push it down through the quilt sandwich, use my other finger to navigate the needle back up and pull the thread, and then pop that second knot down into the quilt sandwich, cutting off the excess thread tail. Massaging the fabric again, and you don't even see the hole. Now you see a picture of the self-threading needles, the side loader and the top loader, and I bought these off of Amazon. Hope it helps. Thank you.